Welcome everyone. Today we will start a new chapter, an awesome chapter in our web development career. Now, if you don't know JavaScript, then this is the right section for you, I promise. Or if you still know, but you want to refresh your memory, then yeah, again, this is the right section for you. So JavaScript, personally, for me, was one of the concepts that was very hard at the beginning to understand. And I imagine I'm not the only one here. So this is a huge step forward towards your development career. JavaScript is must today. This is why it will be my privilege to take you in this journey. It will be bumpy and hard, and I promise that. But let's face it together. Now, my motivation for you is to never hold back your fears. That is something I can personally say. So you need to be a fighter. In this case, you need to be a hardworking student. Now, this language can be mastered if we keep practicing, doing all of the exercises, and also listen to me what I have to say. I will give you the exercises, but you need to spend more time outside this course in order to finish them. So you should do them very carefully because not everything can be covered in the lectures. But I want you to start doing this and start thinking as a real developer. So, are you ready? I am, and I can't wait to see you in the next chapter.